Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll show you a new abstract design. Firstly, I took a light blue color sheet of clay. It will be the base. And I took some warm colors in gradient shades for the abstract design. I'm using a dark blue chalk pastel. Scrape a little powder using a blade or knife. Color the sheet, forming random patches using a soft brush. Remaining clays were flattened into thin sheets. The thinner, the better. Cut different sized petal shapes from the clay. Place all the pieces one by one on the base, leaving gaps in between each piece. Once the entire base was filled, you can cut shapes out of the slab to make cool earrings. I want the pattern to look like it's painted, I mean completely flat. I don't want the raised textures for this model, so I'll flatten it. Place a sheet of paper and rub with your fingers all over the sheet. This helps in removal of fingerprints. Now I'm using an acrylic roller to flatten the sheet completely. You can modify this design just by using tiny petals to make a floral slab. I like to add a soft texture to the sheet. It can be easily achieved with wet sandpaper. Removing water using a tissue. Try to cut large shapes as they can contain all colors. Bake for 1 hour at a temperature recommended by your clay brand. These pieces were baked, sanded, drilled, and assembled. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel to learn more polymer clay techniques.